Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how can you cut the video using split and crop button in CapCut PC. So first, for example, select the video or just photo that you like to edit. Alright, if you want to remove some part of the video of the clip, you can select the split button. There are three options for the split, which is split and split for the left part and split for the right part. For example, if you want to delete the um, right part, you can select the delete right. So the part at right have deleted, and you can split and then split again and remove unused. Just click delete. That's it. And if you want to remove certain part of brain, you can select the crop option and adjust for the frame that you want to show up, and just click confirm. That's it. Before and after. So that's how you can cut a video. I hope this tutorial was for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.